Good morning, students. I am teaching English of 6th standard. Okay, I already began the poem Trees. Okay, it was written by Shirley Boyer, American poetess. Okay, in this poem, see here, the poetess tells about what are the uses of tree or what are the trees give us. Okay, so already I taught you what is there in page number 21. I hope you remembered. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing, swings to on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Okay, I hope you remembered these lines. Okay, trees are for what? Trees give shelter to birds. Okay, many birds they get shelter or they live on the top of the trees. Trees are for children. Children enjoy to climb up the trees and they want to play under the tree. Okay, then trees are to make tree houses in. See, I told you that some tribal people are still living on the top of the uh, trees. Okay, they know how to build their houses uh, on the top of the trees. Okay, it is very useful. Trees are very useful even to build the houses. Trees are to swing songs here. Here there is a girl. Somebody built a rope for her, and she is playing the game of okay, Jokali. Okay, and she's swinging and swinging. That girl involved in swinging. See there in the picture. So trees are very useful for to swing and swings. Trees are for the wind to blow through here. So the air, when it is very fast, okay, wind can blow through the trees so that it makes our whole environment very cool and calm. Trees are to hide behind, hide and seek. There, it is very useful for children to play the hide and seek game. They can hide themselves behind the tree and somebody can some others can involve in seeking her, okay, searching her. So it is very useful. Trees are very useful for children, not only for useful for children, even for the elders. Trees are to have tea parties under. See here, nowadays elders can are using trees to have parties under it. Okay, even garden restaurants have become very famous. Garden restaurants means restaurants which are running under the trees, isn't it? So I hope you know mm, all these things. I already taught this part, so this may be a repetition for you. Okay, repetition always makes you perfect. Okay, now let me come to the next part. Everybody open page number 22. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees, trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rag this fall. Okay, so let me explain you. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Here, when children involved in flying the kites, okay, in the sky, at that time their kites may get caught by the trees. Okay, so this scene often you seen near the countryside or even in the cities. Okay, trees are okay. Sometimes they catch the kites. Okay, at that time children climb there or elders help them to bring down that kites. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Summer is a very hot season. Okay, during that time, uh, it gives shade for us. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Winter is a season of cold, isn't it? Very cold. You don't want the trees to make to give shade during that time. Isn't it? At that time, sun doesn't shine much. Therefore, trees also it doesn't give any shadow. It doesn't make any shadow or shade. Therefore, they don't make shade in winter. That means it looks like trees are also understanding what we require. Okay, as like mother, she knows when to give what, isn't it? Okay, during cold she may provide you hot drinks, but during summer she provides you cold drinks, isn't it? Or cool drinks like that. Trees are providing cool during summer, and it doesn't make shade during winter. Yes or no? Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. See here, trees gives different types of fruits like apple, pears. Pears, I hope you know, sibe hannu, perla hannu. So trees gives different types of fruits for us. Trees are to chop down and called timber here. When we chop down means cut down. Then also it is very useful. It provides the part which we have cut becomes a timber. Timber is very useful to make the furniture like chair, cot, uh, then so many items we can make for shops or to our houses. Trees make mother see what a lovely picture to paint. See here, when mother looks at a tree, it looks like mother and tree are alike. So, isn't it? Mother also gives, tree also gives. Okay, both of them are sacrificing their lives for the same mother, and that trees are sacrificing their lives for others. So then she thinks trees are a lovely picture, lovely thing created by nature. Okay, she wants to paint it. Okay, she wanted to draw the picture of trees, and for her it is a lovely picture. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rag this fall. But father makes a complaint because during autumn season when trees shed their leaves, okay, it makes a heap of dry leaves, isn't it, or dead leaves. So he has to accumulate it. He accumulates it in order to clean the surface under the tree. Okay, so that he can use that leaves for a manure purpose, or he may make fire out of that leaves to boil the water, isn't it? So he has a complaint. Who father complains during that time. But those leaves are very useful. The leaves of trees are very useful. Here, see, leaves of the trees becomes a fodder for so many animals like elephant, deer, isn't it? So I hope you know this. Uh, so I hope you, and I think today you have understood whatever I taught to you. See here, when let me repeat it very quickly. When teachers, when students are playing the play, when they were flying the kites, at that time we are able to see that their kites their kites get caught by the trees. Okay, trees are to make cool shade in summer. During summer season, it gives us, if we go under trees, it gives us shadow or shade. During winter, it doesn't make shade because sunshine is not too much. As like how mother understands the, her children uh, to keep. For example, during summer season, she gives you cool drink, and during winter season she gives very hot drinks like that. Even trees, it makes, it gives you cool shade during summer and no shade during winter. Trees gives various types of fruits like apples, pears, etc. Okay, uh, trees are to chop down and call timber. When we chop down it, cut down, it gives timber, very useful to make furniture. See here, we get even paper from the bamboo, isn't it? So trees make mother see what a lovely picture to paint. See here, trees and mother are alike. Both of them are giving. Okay, both of them are sacrificing. Trees make father see what a lot of leaves to react this fall. Only father is complaining when there is a fall of dry leaves or dead leaves. He had to accumulate in order to clean the surface under the tree. I hope you understood this poem. Okay, you read this poem, read this poem and write this poem at least 2 or 3 times. I hope you understood this. Somebody told that be like a tree. Okay, because a tree is standing firmly in a particular place. Like that, when you take some decision, be firm while taking the decision and stick to it. Then tree is keep on growing. It doesn't remain stagnant. Okay, it is continuously growing. But physically we may not able to grow like a tree, but at least in knowledge and skills we can, okay, accumulate new things, and we can also grow, isn't it? So it is said that a tree, some trees lives for 400, 500,000 years. Okay, its life is more. So therefore perhaps somebody wants to become like a tree, he, after death. Okay, some people may wish to become the tree. Okay, suppose there is a rebirth. Students, let me tell you one interesting thing. So, let me tell you one interesting thing. Trees are having their mouth in their bottom, it is not on the top, isn't it? So, but we human beings or animals are having our mouth upside. Okay, and the trees are having their mouth in their roots. Okay, it is at their bottom. Okay, so that they can suck the water and the substances that which they require from the earth. Okay, this is one interesting thing. And let me tell you, it is said that a country must should have enough forest area. It is said that a country must have at least 20 to 22% of its area should be under forest. If there are no forest means that country may not enjoy the good environment. But countries which are having enough forest, uh, that countries are in those countries people are healthy, and they enjoy, they can lead a good life uh, under the effect of environment. For example, Nepal has got 60% of area under forest, but see the desert areas, no trees, isn't it? No, without trees, whole year, they, people are suffering from hot temperature there. uh, trees makes keeps our environment very cool. Okay, it helps us to have rainfall, isn't it? So without trees, trees are like I already told you, it is like a third mother. Okay, first mother is our mother, and second, the earth itself is a mother. Then these trees are like mother. It is only giving and giving, not taking. Therefore, for example, tree gives us fruits for us. There is a, in Sanskrit there is a saying, trees gives us fruits, but it doesn't eat um, the fruits that which it bears. It bears the fruits. It gives the fruits, but the tree itself is not eating. It is giving to us, isn't it? Tree means it is just like a mother. We have to preserve it. Okay. Uh, I hope you understood this poem very well, and you understood the importance of trees in our life. You please write this poem 3 times and try to by heart it, and you can also sing it. Okay, I think this is enough today, and I wish you all the best. Okay, I wish you good day. Thank you.